In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for budgeting. Managing your finances can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with the right tools, it becomes a breeze. Today, I'll walk you through the process of setting up a budgeting board on Monday.com, a platform that has quickly become a favorite for both personal and professional project management. So, let's dive in and simplify the way you handle your budget. First off, head over to Monday.com. Once you land on the homepage, take a moment to appreciate the clean interface that's about to make your financial organization much smoother. On the left side of your screen, there's a plus icon. This little icon is your gateway to creating new projects, tasks, and in our case, a new budgeting board. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu that's full of possibilities. Hover your cursor over the board option in this menu. Boards are essentially project spaces where you can track everything related to a particular project, or, in our situation, your budget. As you hover, you'll notice how Monday.com is designed with intuition in mind, making it easy for users to navigate their way around. After letting your cursor linger on board for a moment, go ahead and click on Start with a Template. Templates are one of Monday.com's strongest features, offering you a starting point that can be tailored to meet your exact needs. This is where the magic happens, transforming a blank canvas into a structured, efficient budgeting tool. Now, in the Template Center, you're going to search for a template by typing budget into the search box. The platform understands what businesses and individuals need, offering a variety of templates to streamline your processes. As you enter budget, you'll be presented with several templates related to budgeting. This variety allows you to choose one that closely matches your requirement, saving you the hassle of building something from scratch. Among the templates, you'll find one particularly geared towards budget planning, aptly named Budget Plan. Click on it to get a closer look. The Budget Plan template embodies simplicity and functionality, showcasing categories and fields relevant to managing finances effectively. Take a moment to review what's included. You'll notice that it covers a wide range of financial management aspects. Once you've familiarized yourself with what the Budget Plan template offers and decided it matches what you're looking for, it's time to make it your own. Do this by clicking on Use Template. This action will add the template to your Monday.com workspace, allowing you to customize it to your heart's content. With the template now in your workspace, the real fun begins. You can start by renaming categories, adding or deleting columns, and tweaking the settings to perfectly suit your budgeting needs. The beauty of Monday.com is in its flexibility. You're encouraged to make each board personally yours, ensuring it provides the utility you need. Now, a few tips as you start customizing your new budgeting board. Don't hesitate to explore the different column types available. Each offers unique functionality that can enhance your budgeting experience. For instance, using the numbers column allows you to keep track of expenses and income with precision, while the date column keeps all your financial deadlines in clear view. Additionally, take advantage of Monday.com's automation features. Automations can send you reminders when a bill is due or when it's time to review your weekly spending. It's like having a personal finance assistant that ensures you're always on top of your budget without having to manually check everything. Remember, the goal here is to create a tool that makes managing your finances easier and more transparent. With your budgeting board set up, you can track where your money is going, identify areas where you can save, and ultimately make more informed financial decisions. Whether it's for personal use or managing your business's finances, this tailored budgeting board will serve as the foundation of your financial planning. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Monday.com for budgeting. By following these steps, you've not only created a functional budgeting board, but also taken a significant step towards financial organization and clarity. Keep exploring the features and functionalities of Monday.com. It's designed to adapt and grow with your needs. Remember, the key to effective budgeting lies in consistency and regular monitoring. With Monday.com, you've got a powerful tool at your fingertips to help you achieve just that. Happy budgeting. And here's to making informed financial decisions with ease and confidence.